Rockstar Games has just announced the official date and time for the first GTA 6 trailer, which will be coming on Tuesday, December 5th at 9 AM EST, which for me, that is 2 PM GMT. The Rockstar Games Twitter account has also got a revamp with a brand new banner to go along with the tweet of this announcement, and it seems that this is the Miami Vice City sunset with the palm trees, and they have also done this to their website, and they have created a pop-up that displays this image when you first visit the site. Now, people are obviously very excited about this, and honestly, so am I. The GTA 6 trailer will be coming Tuesday, December 5th. Mark your calendars, get the day off work, or school, or whatever you're doing, because you're going to have to see this. It's the beginning of a new era for Rockstar Games and GTA, and I know you guys are excited. So in case you haven't already seen it on Twitter or any other social media, which let's be real, you have already, hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you all there.